Hi, I'm Chef Steve Putnam with Chartwells, and today we're going to be making a green bean casserole. Some of the items are from the Pike Red Zone food pantry, and some of them from the store. Let's get started. We got to open up our 2 cans of green beans and strain them. Now we're going to add our strained green beans to a mixing bowl. Let's open up our can of cream mushroom soup, and we're going to add that to the mixing bowl. Then we're going to add that 1/2 cup of water. We're going to mix that all together. Make sure that everything is completely incorporated. Add just a touch salt and black pepper. Next step, take a baking dish. We're going to use a little pan spray today. Take our mixture, spread it out evenly. We're going to add this to the oven in the middle at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. So now our green beans have been in the oven for 25 minutes. Our last step is to add our crispy fried onions.
Hi, my name is Kara. I'm the district's dietitian and I am a proud Pike grad. So this is a common side dish that's paired well with lean proteins such as baked chicken, turkey, and fish such as salmon. Another tidbit is with canned vegetables and beans, you can always rinse them off using a strainer in the sink, and that reduces the sodium content.
And now here we have our classic green bean casserole. Delicious.